Transform your static documents into dynamic, explorable experiences with interactive 3D PDFs. The key to creating these immersive documents starts with your 3D model. Ensure your model is in a compatible format, like U3D or PRC, which are commonly used for 3D PDF integration. Most 3D modeling software allows you to export your creations in these formats. Look for an option like Export for 3D PDF or Save as U3D. Once your 3D model is ready, we'll use Adobe Acrobat DC. Head over to the Tools section and find the feature for 3D and Multimedia. Within the 3D tools, select Add 3D from File. This will prompt you to choose the 3D model file you exported earlier. After selecting your file, Acrobat will guide you to place the 3D model within your PDF document. You can resize and position it precisely where you want it to appear. Now, click on the area where you want your 3D model to be. You'll see a placeholder once placed. You can activate the 3D model to preview its interactivity. As you can see, you can now rotate, pan, zoom, and even measure within the 3D model, all directly within the PDF. This is the core of an interactive 3D PDF. To enhance your presentation, you can add annotations, callouts, or even create predefined camera views to guide viewers through specific details of your model. This technology is a game-changer for product demonstrations, architectural walkthroughs, and technical manuals, offering an unparalleled level of engagement and understanding. Save your document, and you've successfully created an interactive 3D PDF that will truly revolutionize how you communicate complex visual data. 3D PDF interactive documents.